Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a coupon in LSSC. I'm going to show you two different options of doing so. First of all, you need to open your web browser in your laptop or in your mobile device. Here in the search bar, you need to search for LSSC coupon code. Now, once you search for this query, you will find a bunch of different websites that could provide you the coupon links for LSSC website. So you can click on any of these links and there you can try to find the LSSC coupon codes. If this method isn't working for you, you can even find the coupon codes that are available or activated in your own account. So in order to get that, you need to come at lightshc.com and then you need to log in into your account. Once this step is done, you need to tap on the My tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Here you will see the second tab of My Coupon, so you need to tap on it and whichever coupon you have activated or available in your account will be shown in this section. So from here you can just redeem that coupon code and you can start using it in your LSSC account. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.